Familiarizing with seasons.
Chotu, I am going to the market today. Tell me, what should I bring for you?
Uncle, get mangoes for me. You know, I like mangoes very much.
Oh, mangoes come in the summer season.
I know summer, but what is this season?
Come, let me explain to you about the seasons. Friends, today in this video, we will learn about the three main seasons in India. Chotu, there are three main seasons in India. For a certain time period, when the weather remains usually the same throughout, it is called season.
But uncle, what is weather?
The change in the day-to-day conditions of a place is called weather. For example, there is bright sunshine in the morning and cloudy in the evening.
But uncle, how are weather and seasons different from each other?
Look, the weather can change every day, but not the season.
Okay, so how many seasons are there in our country?
There are three main seasons in India. They always come in the same order in the year.
What are these three seasons?
Hot means summer. Summer season. Rains means monsoon season. And cold means winter season.
How will we know which season is going on?
March, April, May and June months are very hot. So these are the summer months.
Oh, yes. In summer, I have school holidays. And at that time, mother also bring mangoes for me.
Chotu, fruits like mangoes, watermelon, pineapple, and vegetables like cluster beans, ladyfinger, gourds all come in the summer season. Chotu, in the summer season, there is strong sunshine also.
Yes, I also feel thirsty. And my feet burn when I walk barefoot.
That's right. In summer, we wear light colored cotton clothes.
And yes, to protect us from the heat, we switch on the fan and also eat ice cream.
Chotu, after the summer season, the monsoon season arrives.
Yes, it rains a lot in this season. And sometimes the sun hides behind the clouds.
Yes, July, August, September are the rainy months. In this season, bananas, plums, peaches are the fruits. Bitter gourd, capsicum, corn are the vegetables of this season.
And yes, in this season, we use raincoats and umbrellas to avoid getting wet in the rain.
Yes, you are right. After the monsoon season comes the cold season, means winter.
Yes, to protect me from cold, mother makes me wear woolen clothes.
November, December, January are the months of winter. In these months, pomegranate, guava, dates are the fruits, and tomato, radish, brinjal are the vegetables.
Uncle, in this season, my teeth chatter due to cold while going to school in the morning. And yes, at night my father makes me sit near the fire to protect me from cold.
Now, tell me about all the three seasons.
Yes, the season of harsh sunshine is summer season. The season when it rains a lot is the monsoon season. And the season when it's very cold is the winter season.
Wow, very good, Chotu. Okay, now I'll go to the market. What should I bring for you?
It is the monsoon season now. So bring bananas and plums for me.
Okay.
Hey uncle, don't forget to take the umbrella with you.
Yes, Chotu. Bye.
Bye.
Friends, in this video, you learned about the three main seasons of India. In the next video, we will see interesting examples related to weekdays, 12 months. Children, in this video, we will see some interesting examples related to days of the week, months, and seasons. Chotu, your exams are approaching. Do you remember about days of the week, months, and seasons?
Yes, uncle.
Okay, so I have prepared a test paper based on that. You have to write the answers in it.
Uncle, this test paper has 3 sections. In the first section, there are questions on days of the week. In the second section, there are questions on months. And in the third section, there are questions on seasons.
Yes, you are right. Now start writing.
The first question in the first section is, which is the first day of the week? Answer. The first day of the week is Monday. Second question. On which day of the week there is a school holiday? Answer. In a week there is a school holiday on Sunday. Third question. Which day comes 7 days after Saturday? Answer. After Saturday comes Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So Saturday comes again after 7 days. Fourth question. Today is Thursday. So tomorrow will be which day of the week? Answer. Today is Thursday. So tomorrow will be Friday. Fifth question. In the examination timetable given here, on which day of the week is the maths exam? Answer. Maths exam is on the 21st of October. That day is the first day of the week, that is Monday. First question of the second section. How many days are there in a leap year and why? Answer. There are 29 days in the month of February in a leap year. Hence, there are 366 days in this year. Second question. In which month does Independence Day come and how many days are there in this month? Answer. Independence Day comes in the month of August and there are 31 days in this month. Third question. In the year 2019, how many Saturdays are there in the month of November? Answer. In the year 2019, in the month of November, Saturdays come on the 2nd, 9th, 16th, 23rd and the 30th. Therefore, there are 5 Saturdays in this month. Fourth question. How many days are there in total in the month of March and April? Answer. There are 31 days in the month of March and 30 days in the month of April. When we add both, we get a total of 61 days. First question of the third section. In which season does it feel nice to sit near a fire? Answer. In the winter season, teeth chatter, then it feels nice to sit near a fire. Second question. King of fruits comes in which season? Answer. The king of fruits is mango. This comes in the hot or summer season. Third question. In which season are the items given in the picture used? Answer. Umbrellas and raincoats are used to avoid getting wet during the monsoon season. Fourth question. What do people do to protect themselves from the heat in summer season? Answer. In summer season, people wear light colored clothes, eat ice cream and switch on the fan to protect themselves from the heat.
So, Chotu, have you written all the answers?
Yes, uncle. Look.
Oh, wow, Chotu. You have answered all the questions correctly.
Thank you, uncle.
Children, through this video, you have seen some interesting examples related to the days of the week, months, and seasons. In the next video, we will learn to guess the length of objects around us. Hey, Chotu, what happened?
Uncle, you told me about the 7 days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But today, my teacher said that there will be a drawing period tomorrow and we should bring a color box. But what day of the week is tomorrow? I don't understand. Please tell me, Uncle.
Let me explain. Friends, today in this video, we will learn some interesting facts related to the days of the week. The past day, yesterday. Also, today and the coming day, tomorrow, are not one of the days of the week. They are used to indicate the days of the week.
I didn't understand.
First of all, write the days of the week on a piece of paper.
I wrote down the names of the 7 days of the week.
Now, tell me, what day is today?
Today is the day of today.
Not like this. From the time we wake up in the morning till the time we sleep at night is called today. So, now tell me, which day of the week is today?
Today is the first day of the week. It means Monday, right?
Look, we will circle Monday and write today next to it. Yesterday was which day of the week?
Meaning,
Yesterday means the day that has gone or the day before today.
today is Monday. So, the day before that was Sunday.
Correct. Now mark a circle on Sunday and write yesterday next to it. The coming day, tomorrow, will be which day of the week?
Meaning,
The coming day, tomorrow, means the next day or the day after today.
tomorrow is the next day after Monday, which is Tuesday.
So now we will circle Tuesday and write tomorrow next to it.
Yes, understood. Tomorrow morning, Tuesday, will become today.
Yes, Chotu. And today is Monday. Tomorrow it will become yesterday.
And on Tuesday, Wednesday will become tomorrow. This is fun. Uncle, will you help me pack my school bag according to the timetable?
Of course I will. Bring your timetable.
Tomorrow is Tuesday, which is the second day of the week. So the first period is of sports, the second is drawing, and the third again is sports.
Hey, where are you looking?
Tuesday is the second day of the week. So I am looking at the row number 2.
Chotu, you have to keep the books for Tuesday, right?
Yes.
Look, in this timetable, the days from Monday to Saturday are written. Tomorrow is Tuesday. So, we have to look at the subjects written in Tuesday's column.
All right. So here the subjects: Hindi, drawing, mathematics, English, science, and music are mentioned in Tuesday's column.
Yes, you are right.
Now I will remember this. In order to see the timetable, I will have to keep in the mind the days of the week.
Yes.
Thank you, Uncle, for teaching me so much.
Friends, today in this video, we learned some interesting facts related to the days of the week. In the next video, we will introduce months of the year.
Familiarizing with weekdays. Uncle, where are you going?
Every morning, I go out for a walk.
Can I come with you, please?
Yes, Chotu. Today is Sunday. It's a fun day. It's your holiday, so you can come too.
What is this? Sunday? Please tell me.
Sunday is one of the 7 days of the week.
And what is a week?
You come with me. I will teach you. Friends, today in this video we will learn about the days of the week. Chotu, why is your school closed today?
Any one day is given as a holiday in school.
Not any one day, but one day a week. That too every Sunday is given as holiday in the school.
Uncle, how many days are there in a week?
A week is made up of 7 days. The first day is Monday. The second day is Tuesday. The third day is Wednesday. The fourth day is Thursday. The fifth day is Friday. The sixth day is Saturday. And the seventh day is Sunday. Out of these 7 days, Sunday is always a holiday. Chotu, repeat with me the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These are the 7 days of the week.
Hey, Uncle, look here. What is this?
Hey, the butterfly has laid eggs on this leaf about 4 to 5 days ago.
What will happen to it now?
To know this, we will have to come and observe them every day for a week.
Okay.
But yes, we will have to get up early in the morning so that you don't get late for the school. Let us go home now.
Yes, let's go.
Remember, today is the 7th day of the week, that is Sunday. And today we have started observing the butterfly eggs.
Yes, today is Sunday, the 7th day of the week.
Come on, Chotu. Are you ready to see the butterfly eggs?
Yes.
What day of the week is today?
Today is the first day of the week. It means Monday. Monday comes after Sunday.
Absolutely right.
Hey, Uncle, a worm is coming out of the egg. And it is eating the eggshell.
Yes, look how small the worm is.
Come on, let's go back home. Otherwise, I will be late for school.
Yes, let's go. We will come tomorrow.
Uncle, let's go. I'm ready.
Yes, let's go. What day of the week is today?
Today is the second day of the week, which is Tuesday.
Well done. Look, Chotu. This worm is eating leaves.
Yes, look like the worm is very hungry.
Let us go back.
Uncle, let's go to see the worm.
Yes. What day of the week is today?
After Tuesday, Wednesday is the third day of the week.
Well done. Look, Chotu. This worm is still eating leaves.
The worm ate so many leaves.
Yes. Now let's go back home.
Let's go, Uncle.
Yes. What day of the week is today?
After Wednesday, the fourth day of the week is Thursday.
Well done.
Look, this worm has only been eating and he is growing larger.
Yes, the worm keeps eating until it becomes fat. Are you ready?
Yes, Uncle. Today is the fifth day of the week.
After Thursday, the next day is Friday.
Hey, what is this worm doing?
It is shedding its old skin.
It used to look small earlier and now it has become so big.
Come on, let's go home.
Uncle, tomorrow is the 6th day of the week.
Yes, the 6th day is Saturday.
So does the worm keep eating like this?
Yes, it eats for 14 to 15 days. During this period, it sheds its skin 5 to 6 times. When it becomes very large, it finds a safe place and hangs upside down in the shape of alphabet J. Then it creates a secure cover around itself. It remains like this for few days. During this time period, it goes through certain changes and then comes out as a little butterfly. These life cycle changes takes up to 1 month.
Along with the days of the week, I also got to learn about the life cycle of a butterfly.
Yes, but learning the days of the week is more important.
Okay, Uncle.
Friends, today you learnt about the days of the week. In the next video, you will learn some interesting facts related to days of a week.
Familiarizing with months. Uncle, School Foundation Day will be celebrated on November 23rd at our school. Uncle, what is this November? How will we know when it comes and what day of the week it is?
Chotu, to know all this, you will have to understand a calendar. Friends, in this video, we will become familiar with the names and days of the 12 months of a year. You know that there are 7 days of the week. These are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Yes, Uncle, I know it.
Chotu, similarly, there are 12 months in a year. The first day of the year always starts with 1st of January and the last day is the 31st of December.
The first month is January and the last month is December. What are the months between these 2 months?
Look, there are 12 months in a year. These are 1st January, 2nd February, 3rd March, 4th April, 5th May, 6th June, 7th July, 8th August, 9th September, 10th October, 11th November, and 12th December.
Uncle, how many weeks are there in a month?
Chotu, there are 4 weeks and a few days in 1 month.
Uncle, how many days are there in each month?
The number of days in each month varies. For instance, January, March, May, July, August, October, and December are the long months. There are 31 days in these months. April, June, September, and November are the short months. There are 30 days in these months.
Hey, you did not tell how many days are there in the month of February.
Chotu, February is the shortest month. Normally, there are 28 days in February. But yes, once in every 4 years, there are 29 days in February. Because it takes 365 days and 6 hours for the Earth to complete one revolution around the Sun. These remaining 6 hours of every year added together for 4 years becomes 1 day. So every 4th year, the month of February has 29 days, which is called a leap year.
Uncle, if we add all the days of the 12 months, then what is the total number of days?
If we add all the days of 12 months, it makes a total of 365 days. And yes, if we add all the days of the 12 months in a leap year, then the total number of days is 366.
Uncle, the foundation day of my school is on November 23rd. So, how will I know which day will be on November 23rd?
Look, Chotu, this is the calendar of November 2019. Here, every letter given above shows the names of the days of the week, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Yes, group of these 7 days is called a week.
Yes, Chotu. To find the day of a date, look at the weekday name column in the calendar. In whichever weekday column a date falls, it is that day.
23rd is showing in the Saturday column in the month of November.
Yes, then 23rd November is a Saturday.
Now I understand. In our school, on the 23rd November, the school foundation day will be celebrated on Saturday.
Chotu, tell me, what all do you remember about the months of a year?
There are 4 weeks and a few days in a month. There are 12 months in a year. January, March, May, July, August, October and December months have 31 days.
Yes, and April, June, September, and November months have 30 days. Chotu, how many days are there in February?
February has 28 or 29 days.
Very good. Now tell me, how many days are there in a year?
There are 365 or 366 days in a year.
Chotu, now you know how to see the months and days in the calendar, right?
Yes, uncle. Now I know it very well.
Very good, Chotu. Friends, with this video, you became familiar with the names of days and 12 months of the year. In the next video, we will learn interesting things related to the 12 months of a year. Friends, today in this video, we will learn interesting things related to the months of the year. Hey Chotu, why are you continuously changing the pages of this calendar?
Uncle, you had taught how many days are there in which month. But now I have forgotten. That's why I was looking at this calendar and memorizing it.
Do you want to learn how to remember all the days of the months without looking at the calendar?
Yes, please teach me, Uncle.
Okay, I will teach you. First of all, move both hands forward like this. Now look here. The long months with 31 days are the elevated parts of the fingers. And the short months with 30 days come at the places between the fingers. But February has 28 or 29 days.
There are 31 days in the months of January, March, May, July, August, October, and December.
Very good, Chotu.
Yes, and there are 30 days in this 4 months: April, June, September, and November.
Yes, just remember, months with 30 days are 4, and there are 7 months with 31 days.
Yes, Uncle, there are 4 months of 30 days and 7 months of 31 days. And February is the month of 28 or 29 days.
Oh wow! Very good, Chotu.
Uncle, will you help me do my homework?
Chotu, you do your homework on your own every day?
Yes, but in today's homework, against the names of these festivals, I have to write in which month they come. But I can't figure out which festival comes in which month.
Okay, I will help you understand. Then you do your homework yourself.
Okay.
Look, the Christmas festival is celebrated on 25th of December in the memory of Jesus Christ.
Okay. So Christmas comes in the month of December.
Yes, and Janamashtami is the festival of the birth of Sri Krishna. It is celebrated in the month of August.
And in which month do Lohri, Uttarayan and Pongal come?
These 3 festivals are celebrated in the month of January.
Oh, so these 3 festivals come in the same month.
Yes, Chotu. Lohri in North India, Uttarayan in Gujarat, and Pongal in South India. In this way, all 3 festivals are celebrated in the month of January.
Yes, I understand, Uncle. This is the festival of Durga Puja.
It is celebrated in East India as a symbol of victory of good over evil.
This festival is celebrated in the month of October, right?
Yes, that's right. The festival of Holi is celebrated in the month of March in central India.
Uncle, Holi is a festival of colors. I like it very much.
I too like it. Come on, now tell me, Independence Day comes in which month?
Oh, I can never remember in which month Independence Day and Republic Day are celebrated.
Chotu, our country India got independence from the Britishers on 15th August. Independence Day is celebrated in the month of August to mark this occasion.
And in which month is Republic Day celebrated?
Republic Day is celebrated on the 26th of January. On this day, the Constitution of India was implemented.
Oh, now I understand. Uncle, Now I will be able to do my homework easily.
This is very good. You do your homework. I will leave now.
Yes, Christmas festival comes in the month of December. Janmashtami festival comes in the month of August. The festivals of Lohri, Uttarayan and Pongal come in the month of January. Durga Puja is celebrated in the month of October. Holi in the month of March, Independence Day in the month of August, and Republic Day in the month of January. Homework is done.
Friends, today in this video, we learned interesting things related to the months of the year. In the next video, we will familiarize ourselves with the seasons.
Tracing and identifying shapes. How are you, friends? I'm very well. Do you remember that we learned tracing of objects from our surroundings in the previous video? Today, in this video, we will learn identifying different shapes, tracing the shapes, and drawing pictures using shapes. Hello, I am Thumbkin. And I am Pointer. Friends, look, we have a clock with blocks of different shapes, which will help us in identifying shapes. Here, the circle is first in order. The oval is second in order. This shape is like an elongated circle. It is also called ellipse. The triangle is third in order. A triangle has 3 sides. The square is fourth in order. The length of all its 4 sides are the same. The 5-sided pentagon is fifth in order. The 6-sided hexagon is sixth in order. The 4-sided quadrilateral is seventh in order. The 4-sided rhombus is eighth in order. And the rectangle is ninth in order here. Its opposite sides have the same length. The heart is 10th in order. The star is 11th in order. And the plus symbol is 12th in order. Friends, now let's trace some of these shapes and draw a picture. First of all, we will trace the square shaped block and draw 1, 2, 3 squares. Let's now trace the ellipse. 1 and 1, 2 ellipses. Now we will draw a hexagon shape by tracing the hexagon block under these 2 ellipses. Yes, now we will trace this triangle block and draw 2 triangles like this. Now we will take the quadrilateral block and place it like this and then trace it, and we will draw 2 quadrilaterals. Now look at these blocks. This is a circle, this is a pentagon, and this is a rhombus. Now we will place these blocks in the 3 trace squares shapes and trace them. Oh wow! This is a picture of rocket. If we want to show this rocket flying in the sky, then which shape would we have to trace from these? To show the rocket flying in the sky, we would have to trace the star-shaped block. Yes, so now we will trace the star-shaped blocks and draw 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 stars. Mr. Pointer, if we fill the colors in this drawing, then how would it look? If we fill the shapes we drew, it will look like this. Isn't it looking beautiful, Thumbkin? Oh wow! Friends, you can also draw some more pictures like this by tracing different shapes. Friends, today we learned to identify different shapes and draw pictures by tracing them. You can also trace the shapes and draw different pictures. In the next video, we will identify some more shapes and count them, and we will also color them. Hello friends, you remember that in the previous video, we learned to identify the shapes, tracing shapes, and drawing a picture by tracing them. Today, in this video, we will learn to count the shapes after identifying, filling colors in them and making a figure. Hello friends, look, this is a picture of a doll made using shapes. But why is this doll sad? Because the doll wants to know which shapes and how many shapes are used in his making. The square, the rectangle, triangle and circle are used to make this doll. Let's now tell him the number of these shapes used in his making. We can make him smile. Can you count the number of squares in this doll? There are 1, 2 and 3 squares used to make this doll. Can you count the number of rectangles in this doll? There are 1 and 2 rectangles in the doll. Let's now count the triangle. There are 1, 2 and 3 triangles in this doll. Let's now count the number of circles used. Yes, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 circles used here. We got to know that there are 3 squares, 2 rectangles, 3 triangles and 8 circles used in the making of this doll. But why he is not smiling? Let's fill it with colors. Look, Thumbkin, it is smiling after we filled it with colors. Friends, let's see the second example now. Look, this is a figure made by tracing square, rectangle, circle and triangle shapes. Let's fill this figure with colors. First of all, we will fill all the triangles with yellow color. Look, can you see this? Now, we will fill in all the circle with red color. Look, there are several square shapes in this figure. We will fill in the square shapes with pink color. Thumbkin, is there any shape yet to be filled with colors? The rectangle shape. You are right. Now we will fill the rectangle shapes with sky blue color. Yes, look, Pointer. We have filled the triangles with yellow, the circles with red color, the squares with pink, and the rectangles with sky blue color. Friends, we learned to count the shapes after identifying, filling colors in them and making a figure. In the next video, we will learn how to make figures using shapes in an interesting way. Friends, we have learned to identify and trace shapes. Today, in an interesting way, we will learn to make figures using these shapes. Look friends, this is a 10-gram. There are a total of 7 shapes in it. This 10-gram is made of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 triangle shapes, 1 square shape and 1 quadrilateral. Today we will create figures of horse, rabbit, cat, swan and fish using these shapes. Look, this is a horse. Now we will make a horse using 5 triangles, 1 square and 1 quadrilateral. See, the horse is ready. This is a rabbit. Now we will try to create a rabbit using 4 triangles, 1 square and 1 more triangle and 1 quadrilateral. See, rabbit is ready. This is a cat. So let's make a cat using 3 triangles, 1 quadrilateral, 1 square and the remaining 2 triangles. See, cat is ready. This is a swan. Now we will make a swan using 4 triangles, 1 square, 1 quadrilateral and 1 triangle. Swan is also ready. This is really interesting. This is a fish. Let's try and create a fish using 2 triangles, 1 quadrilateral and 1 triangle, 2 more triangles and 1 square. And we have created a fish. We have finally created a horse, rabbit, cat, swan and a fish using the 7 shapes of the 10-gram. Friends, today we learned to make figures using shapes of a 10-gram in an interesting way. In the next video, we will know about lines and their different types.
Interpreting data from daily life context.
Hey Bubbly, what are you doing in the garden? Bunty, Mummy has prepared this table and given it to me. There are different flowers in the garden. I am counting the blossomed flowers to find out flowers that have blossomed. Why? Data. I mean to collect the data. Hey, but the data about all the blossomed flowers is already filled in this table. That's why you don't need to count the flowers one by one in the garden. Why? Because whatever details that are already filled in this table about the flowers, you just need to understand those data. How is that? Come on, let me teach you. Today, in this video, we will learn to interpret data from the table. Look, there are different flowers in this garden. How many flowers have blossomed? That data has been collected and filled in the table. That's why it has been written on the top of the table the number of blossomed flowers in the garden. There are 2 columns in the table. In the first column,
The blossom flowers in the garden are written. Come on, read those.
The names of the flowers are marigold flower, rose flower, and champa flower.
From this data, we can know that 3 types of flowers have blossomed in the garden.
Yes, first is marigold flower, second rose flower, and third is champa flower.
Come on, now read the second column. What is the number of flowers?
The number of marigold flowers is 6. The number of rose flowers is 4. And the number of champa flowers is 9.
Yes, the data collected about the number of blossom flowers in the garden has been shown in this table.
Yes, this is very interesting. And now I will not have to count the flowers one by one. After understanding the table, I have understood which and how many flowers have blossomed in the garden.
What have you understood?
I understood that there are 3 kinds of flowers, marigold, rose and champa, that have blossomed in the garden.
And there are 6 marigold flowers, 4 rose flowers and 9 champa flowers that have blossomed in the garden.
Thank you, Bunty. You have really explained the data in the table very well.
Yes. Okay. Now show me the second table which Mummy has given to you.
Here it is. Hey, there are only pictures of fruits in this table. The number of fruits are not written.
So what will you do now?
I will go to the kitchen now and count the number of fruits and come back.
Hey, stop! You do not have to go anywhere.
Why?
Come on, all the data has been shown in this table.
How is that?
Look, which pictures are there in the column of fruits in the table?
There are pictures of apple, pineapple, pomegranate and orange.
Now have you understood that the data given is about which fruits?
Yes, but how will I know the number of fruits without counting them?
It is easy. How many pictures of apples are given in this table?
There are 5 pictures of apples.
Yes, so we have to write the number of apples, 5, in the column of number of fruits.
Similarly, there is 1 picture of pineapple. So we have to write the number of pineapples 1 in the column of number of fruits.
There are 3 pictures of pomegranate. So we have to write the number of pomegranates 3 in the column of number of fruits.
There are 4 pictures of oranges. So we have to write the number of oranges 4 in the column of number of fruits.
Absolutely right, Bubbly. Now you will be able to interpret the data given in the table, won't you?
Yes, it is very easy to interpret the data given in the table. Thank you, Bunty.
Friends, in this video, you learned to interpret data from the table. In the next video, you will learn to interpret data from the table by using some examples. Children, in this video, we will learn how to interpret data from the table using interesting examples.
I know how to fill the table. Now I will try to interpret data from the table. The data about utensils we have is given in this table. The data about names of the utensils is given in the first column and the data about the number of utensils is given in the second column of the table. Names of utensils, bowl, dish, glass and spoon are written here. So the data about 4 kinds of utensils is given. Here the number of bowls is 6. The number of dishes are 5. The number of glasses are 6. And the number of spoons are 9. I have interpreted the data about the number of utensils from this table. Now let's see the second example. Come on, now I will fill this table by counting how many and which color plastic flowers are there in this flower vase. Pink flowers, 1, 2.
Hey Bubbly, you don't need to count these flowers. Look, I have filled the data about the flowers which are in the flower vase.
Thank you, Bunty. I will interpret the data from this table.
Okay. So tell me, how many colored flowers are there in the flower vase?
The table has data about flowers of 4 colors.
Which colored flowers are there in the flower vase?
There are yellow, pink, saffron and red colored flowers in the flower vase.
Which color flower is only one in the flower vase?
Yellow and red colored flowers are 1 each.
How many pink colored flowers are there?
There are 2 pink colored flowers.
Well done, Bubbly.
Thank you.
So children, in this video we learned how to interpret data from the table using interesting examples. In the next video, we will learn some interesting facts related to interpreting data from the table. Friends, today in this video, we will learn some interesting facts related to interpreting data from the table. Yes, Bubbly, tell me, what do you want to ask?
Look, I have prepared this table.
What type of table?
I have filled this table by counting the number of letters in my friends' names.
Oh, Bubbly, you know very well how to collect data and fill it in the table and also how to interpret data from the table. Then how come you made a mistake in filling this table?
Mistake in filling the table.
Yes, look, you have to write the number of letters of the friends' names in this table.
Yes, that's what I have done.
Yes, but when you are counting the number of letters in any name, then you have to count all the letters even if they are repeated.
And how is that?
Look, Bubbly, here the first name is Ria, which is made from 4 letters. And you have written the number 4 only.
Yes, and the second name is Nirav, which is made from 5 letters.
Bubbly, your table is okay till here. Now the third name is Munmun. There are not 3 but 6 letters in it.
How is that?
Yes, you counted MU and N in Munmun, so you wrote 3 letters, but these 3 letters come 2 times. So that is a total of 6 letters.
Oh, yes. I have to count all the letters that come in the name of Munmun, no matter how many times they come. So here the number of letters will be 6.
Now tell me, how many letters are there in the name Bulbul?
There are total of 6 letters, not 3.
Well done, Bubbly.
Thank you.
So friends, today in this video, we learned some interesting facts related to interpreting data from the table. Friends, you learned many facts related to mathematics from these videos. I hope you had a lot of fun. Collect and represent data. Hey Bubbly, what are you doing?
Bunty, I have 10 marbles. I am trying to find out how many marbles of each color are there.
Come on, let me teach you an easy way to find that.
Teach me.
Today, in this video, we will learn about collecting data and representing it in a table.
Bubbly, first of all, you have to make group of same colored marbles.
First group of red colored marbles. Second group of yellow colored marbles. And third group of green colored marbles.
Well done. Now create a table like this.
Then,
Now you have to write the names of the colors red, yellow and green in the column color of marbles.
what do we have to do next?
Now we have to count the number of marbles in each group.
There are 1, 2 and 3 red marbles in the first group. 1 and 2, 2 yellow marbles in the second group. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 green marbles in the third group.
Now we have to write these numbers in the table.
Yes. Now in the column count of marbles, we will write 3 beside red color, 2 beside yellow color and 5 beside green color.
Well done, Bubbly. You represented the data very well.
Data? What is that?
Making groups of similar objects, counting the number of objects in the group and filling that information in a table is called data.
Bunty, this way I can easily know how many erasers, pencils, sharpeners and scales do I have.
Yes, let me teach you one more way to collect the data and fill it in the table.
Definitely.
Firstly, you have to group the given objects whose data you wish to collect.
I have 7 pencils, 5 erasers, 4 sharpeners and 2 scales. Now,
You have to create a table for the same.
okay, I have made this table. I wrote the names of the objects in the first column and count of objects in the second column.
Now write which objects are there in the column names of the objects.
In the column names of the objects, I wrote pencil, eraser, sharpener and scale. And now,
Now in the column count of objects, you have to draw as many triangles, squares or circles as the number of objects.
so we will draw triangles to fill the table.
Okay, you have 7 pencils. So you have to draw 7 triangles in the column count of objects.
I have 5 erasers. So I have to draw 5 triangles. I have 4 sharpeners. So I have to draw 4 triangles. And I have 2 scales. So I have to draw 2 triangles.
Absolutely right. Well done, Bubbly.
Oh wow! It is very interesting.
Friends, in this video you learned about collecting data and representing them in a table. In the next video, we will see some more examples of collecting data and representing them in a table. Children, in this video, we will see some more interesting examples of collecting data and representing them in a table.
Bunty taught me how to represent data in a table after collecting it. I can easily find out how many types and the counts of the hairpins I have with the help of a table. So first of all, I will make groups of similar hairpins. First group of cloth hairpins. Second group of diamond-studded hairpins. Third group of hairpins with roses and leaves. And fourth group of hairpins with beads. Now I will count the hairpins in each group. I have 6 hairpins made of cloth, 3 diamond-studded hairpins, 4 hairpins with roses and leaves, and 1 big hairpin with beads. Now I will represent all the data by making a table like this. The number of cloth hairpins is 6. The number of diamond-studded hairpins is 3. The number of hairpins with roses and leaves is 4. And the hairpin with beads is 1. Wow! I'm having fun. Come on, now let me find out how many chocolates of which shapes do I have. So first of all, I will group chocolates based on their shapes. First of all, group of circle-shaped chocolates. Second group is star-shaped chocolates. And the third group is of heart-shaped chocolates. Now I will count the chocolates in each group. In the first group, 5 circle-shaped chocolates. In the second group, 4 star-shaped chocolates. And in the third group, there are 3 heart-shaped chocolates. Now I will represent all this data by making a table like this. The number of circle-shaped chocolates is 5. The number of star-shaped chocolate is 4. And the number of heart-shaped chocolate is 3. Wow! By collecting data like this, I can remember so much information easily.
Children, today in this video we saw some interesting examples of collecting data and representing it in a table. In the next video, we will see some more interesting examples of collecting data and representing them in a table. Children, in this video, we will see some more interesting examples of collecting data and representing them in a table.
Hey Bubbly, what are you doing?
You had taught me how to collect data and represent it in a table.
So I am using that method to collect data on how many objects I have and representing it in the form of a table.
Show me? Oh wow, you are doing great. But you did not use the second method that I taught you.
Yes, now I will collect data about some more objects and represent it in a different way in the table. I will draw pictures of the objects that I have.
Okay, you do your work and I will go now.
Okay. So as we all know that summer season is nearing. So I will collect data about the number of caps, the number of goggles and the number of umbrellas and number of hats that I have. So first of all I will make groups of similar objects. First group of caps, second group of goggles, third group of umbrellas and the fourth group of hats. Now I will count the objects in each group. I have 4 caps, 3 goggles, 1 umbrella and 4 hats. Now I will create a table like this and represent all the data in it. There are 4 caps in the table, so I will draw 4 caps. There are 3 goggles, so I will draw 3 goggles. Then there is 1 umbrella, so I will draw a picture of an umbrella. And there are 4 hats, so I will draw 4 hats. Oh wow! It looks good. My birthday is approaching now. So I will collect data about the types and how many balloons I have so I can gift them to all my friends who will be coming to my birthday party. So first of all, I will make groups of similar animal-shaped balloons. First group of dog-shaped balloons. Second group of snake-shaped balloons. Third group of bear-shaped balloons. Fourth group of camel-shaped balloons. And fifth group of monkey-shaped balloons. Now I will count the animals in each group. There are 5 dog-shaped balloons in first group, 1 snake-shaped balloon in the second group, 2 bear-shaped balloons in the third group, 3 camel-shaped balloons in the fourth group, and 1 monkey-shaped balloon in the fifth group. Now I will make a table like this and represent all the data in it. There are 5 dogs, so 5 circles. 1 snake, so 1 circle. 2 bears are there, so 2 circles. 3 camels are there, so 3 circles. And 1 monkey, so 1 circle. Wow! By representing data like this, I can easily remember so much information. Children, in this video today we saw some more interesting examples of collecting data and representing it in a table. In the next video, we will learn how to interpret data from the given table.